More than dwellers, men are living stuff of green. They are the forest, like cedar and cakepop tree. The children of the forest they know very early, as if born with the knowledge. Hello, my name is Jose Silva. I live in Brazil, by the Amazon River, in the rainforest. I am not a rich man, but I have enough to live. Me, my wife, and my son live in this house. We are happy here in our small village. Everyone knows each other, and we all get along. Then the smoke came. The skies were dark, and we thought it was the Armageddon. We didn't know where to go. Some people ran, but we stayed here. They came and chopped down the trees and destroyed our home. I was separated from my wife and son. I was left with nothing. There was nothing left for me here, so when the men asked me if I would like to come with them and earn some money, I agreed. We were in the dark for ages. Finally, they opened the doors and pushed us out. First, they made us chop down the trees. When all the trees had been chopped down, they made us mine for pig iron. One day when I was working, I dropped pig's iron on my arm and broke it. I realized with all this work, I wasn't earning anything. I was going in debt. I was a slave. I had nothing left to lose, so I ran away, and surprisingly, I wasn't shot. I ran as far as I could, until my feet were bleeding. I remember lying down, and when I woke, my wounds were bandaged, and there was someone waiting for me with water at my side. The Yanomami tribe had saved my life with their medicines from the forest. From that moment on, I decided to devote my life to try to stop this devastation on the rainforest. I tell my story to all who listen. In the heart of the floodplain, all that is good, every careness, to charmed green, is only valuable if it helps the people nourished by the forest. More than dwellers, men are living stuff of green. They are the forest, like cedar and kapok tree, the quiet waters of the Gapo, or in the summer the enraged Somalis, moved by the raging wind. As the palms of Buriti and the velvety perfume of Kapaku. One difference though. The cedar doesn't know it's a tree, and will become the ridgepole of a home. The lake doesn't know its guards, the sacred virtues of the water, nor does the wind ever intend to sink a boat. Caboclos, however, the children of the forest, they know very early, as if born with this knowledge. The dreams in the mirror of the cedar, whenever the fruit is not ripe today, they understand also the rustles of the water.